Hi, today in Bonsai, let's try to create a profile section suite like this. You can use this in models like for roof gutters, structural members, etc. And let's model this complex shape here. So I have opened a Bonsai new project here. You can refer my previous tutorials for basics. So here I'm selecting geometry and materials tab, and there we can see profile sections. Clicking here. Okay, before that let's go to the top view. Let's select this add cube here and just create a shift a mesh plane here. Let's enter the edit mode by pressing tab key. Make sure you are in the vertex select mode and just press M to merge at center. So I have merged all these vertices to the center point. Let's extrude by clicking E and press Y to locate in Y axis. So I am just creating this shape here and not referring to exact dimensions. I want to show the concept of creating these profiles and making these sweet geometries. So let's extrude along x-axis, again extrude along y-axis, again I am extruding. So if you have an exact dimension, so you can just press E and X, and I'm going to the negative X direction, so you can press minus 0.2 and it will go to the exact 0.2 20 centimeter dimension, and just using random dimensions here. So again extruding to the y-axis, and you can snap it to the point here. So I have completed the overall shape. Let's press F to join these vertices, and to create a face here you can select all of these vertices together and press F. So I have created a face here. Let's select these vertices and just press this move button, or you can press G to move, and I'm moving this to the right. So almost we have created a similar shape here. So we are going to create a member which uses this profile as a sweep. So let's create that profile first. I am picking IFC arbitrary closed profile of here. Just pick this object here and click the add button here. So we have created a new profile here and renaming it as roof gutter. Okay, then let's create a member. So I'm going to the like a member tool in the structural member tool. Create a member, you can go to the member tool here and you can click the launch type manager here and create a new IFC member type and typing this gutter, and for the predefined type I am using a user defined one and clicking here to enter the gutter. And for this representation I am clicking extruded profile, and let's select this roof gutter. This is the profile we have already created, and just click OK. So the member here is active, and closing this. To create this profile, let's press Shift A and just add a new member here. You can locate it in your preferred axis. So this is how you can create this sweet geometry here in Bonsai. To join this, you can use the commands like you can make this 3D cursor here and press Shift E to extrude, or you can press Shift E to duplicate and Shift Z to move along the XY plane, and you can rotate by Shift clicking R and Shift Z. I'm going for a 90-degree one. So when you click two of these together, you can join this by clicking Shift T, or for a perfect joint or a meter joint, you can press Shift Y, and you can see this profile has been correctly joined. Numbers you like. It is super easy to create profiles of this type and geometries of this type in Bonsai. So if you want more of these tutorials, do follow.